Welcome to lesson 8.1 today. So I'll make this just a little bit bigger so we can see it a little better. All right, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using substitution, and we have been doing that already. We've been using substitution. So here's our objectives. I can understand, if you look up here at the top where the yellow is, that solving an equation or an inequality means that I find out which values can make that equation true or the inequality true. So in other words, I'm going to give you what we had today in our lesson, but what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you an equation with a variable, and we're going to decide whether or not it's true or not. The second part says I can try different numbers in place of a variable to figure out which makes the equation or inequality true. Okay, so let's start out first of all today. We're going to start by writing an equation. So I'm going to give you 8.6, okay, plus m is equal to 13. Okay, 8.6 plus m is going to be equal to 13. All right, so in order to do this, this is what I did. I did step one here, write an equation. Second of all, we're going to substitute the given number for the variable m. All right, so I'm going to use substitution to see whether or not this is true or not. Okay, so what if I said m is going to be equal to 5.3? Let's just decide. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to substitute for that m right here. So I'm going to take 8.6, I'm going to add on 5.3, and I want to know, is this true? Question mark. Is it true? Are they equal or not? So I'm going to have to do the math. So let's take 8.6. We're going to take that plus 5.3. I'm lining up my decimals. Oops. I don't know what I just did. Oh, wait. There we go. And we're going to add. Bring my decimal down first. And I have a 9, and I have 2 added plus 3 more is 13.9. Okay, so these two numbers together make 13.9. Okay, is that equal to just 13? The answer is no. So it's not no or not a solution. So you're following me so far? So when I substituted m, it did not work, okay? Both sides of the equation, whether it's on this side or on the opposite side, if there's an equal sign, they have to equal one another. All right, are you following me so far? All right, so that's not a solution. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Now, what if I tell you that m is now going to be worth 4.4? Oops, let's redo that. M is now worth 4.4, okay? Let's take the same equation. I've got 8.6 plus M is supposed to equal 13. All right, so now instead of M, I'm going to put 4.4. So this is 8.6 plus 4.4. So when we add those together, 8.6, 4.4, oops, keep doing that. I get 0, add a 1 over here, I get 13, bring my decimal down, straight down, I get 13. So this side is equal to 13, and this side is equal to 13. So then this is a solution. All right, so what we did today in lesson 1, we had to take a value. They gave us the substituted value. We put it in for the variable inside of the equation, and then we decided if the two sides were equal. All right, thanks guys. Happy math.